Ready to experience crystal clear hearing? Sutton Coldfield's finest earwax removal service is here for you. Discover the joy of sound with our expert care. At Hearing First Sutton Coldfield, we use cutting-edge microsuction technology for a safe and effective earwax removal process. Say goodbye to ear discomfort. Picture yourself enjoying conversations without asking people to repeat themselves. That's the difference our top-notch ear cleaning service can make. Book your appointment today at MH Aesthetic Clinic. Our team of specialists is dedicated to providing the best microsuction earwax removal in Sutton Coldfield. Imagine clear, crisp sound enhancing your daily life. Our earwax removal clinic in Sutton Coldfield makes that possible. Don't wait, book now. Experience the best earwax removal Sutton Coldfield has to offer. Our clinic ensures a comfortable and swift procedure so you can get back to your life with improved hearing. Why settle for anything less than the best? Our microsuction earwax removal technique is renowned for its precision and comfort. Visit us at 34 High St. Sutton Coldfield. Every moment is better when you can hear it clearly. Trust our experts in Sutton Coldfield for the best ear cleaning service. Book your session today. Our clinic in Sutton Coldfield is your go-to destination for professional earwax removal. Experience the clarity and confidence that comes with better hearing. Don't let earwax buildup affect your life. Our Sutton Coldfield clinic specializes in microsuction ear cleaning, providing a pain-free and efficient solution. Unlock the true joy of sound. Book your appointment at Hearing First Sutton Coldfield today. Call us at +44 8001 337 987 or visit our website for more details.